How to do Kitchner stitch. In this example, we have a very cute sock, but you can use this stitch not just for socks, also for mittens, hats, and other projects. So I'll be using a contrasting color yarn just for demonstration here so that it's easier to see the stitches. And we're using a large tapestry needle to do the seaming. This is going to be a 4-stitch repeat with 2 stitches off of the front and 2 stitches off of the back. And we're going to start with our setup of just 2 stitches, one on the front and one on the back. So insert the needle purlwise off of the front and leave it. Insert the needle knitwise on the first stitch on the back and leave it. So we're done with setup. Insert the needle through the front knitwise and take that stitch off. Now we insert the needle purlwise and leave it. We're going to the back, insert the needle purlwise and take it off. We're staying in the back, inserting the needle knitwise and leaving it. Okay. We're going to the front, insert the needle knitwise and take it off. Insert the needle purlwise and leave it. Going to the back, insert the needle purlwise, take it off. Insert the needle knitwise and leave it. Going to the front, insert the needle knitwise, take it off. Adjust, don't pull too tight. Insert the needle purlwise and leave it. Going to the back, insert the needle purlwise and take it off. Knitwise and leave it. Front, knitwise, take off. Purlwise, leave it. Going to the back, purlwise, take it off. Staying in the back, knitwise, leave it. Front, knitwise, take off. Purlwise, leave it. Back, purlwise, take off. knitwise, leave it, front, knitwise, take off, purlwise, leave it, see, this is what it looks like so far, back, purlwise, take off, knitwise, leave it, front, knitwise, take off, purlwise, leave, back, purlwise, take off, knitwise, leave, front, knitwise, take off, front, purlwise, leave, back, purlwise, take off, back, knitwise, leave, front, knitwise, take off, front, purlwise, leave, back, purlwise, take off, back, knitwise, stay. So we're down to 2 stitches, and we'll do purlwise for the front, and we'll take out the needle, and purlwise for the back, and we are now done. So you can weave in the ends, and this is what it looks like. If you use the same color yarn, you will not see this line, but this just kind of helps with the demonstration. See, there's really no seam. The seam is there only because of the different color yarn. And there you go, Kitchner stitch. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we have a lot more video tutorials for you on Loopy Mango YouTube channel.